Hi guys, and welcome back. I put together this brief tutorial to basically show you how to get from your Survey Junkie to your actual Survey Junkie referral program. Okay. Now, the way everything works right now at this time is, if you have in fact reached this part of training, then you more than likely have already registered under Survey Junkie. Well, what you can do from Survey Junkie is we can actually make income two separate ways. First, we can actually make money from taking the surveys and giving our opinion. But in addition to that, what we're able to do is make money by referring others to do the same actual surveys. Okay? So, if you're actually doing this as far as Survey Junkie, what happens is every time someone clicks and enters their email address here, you get anywhere from $1.25, $1.50, maybe $1 per person who enters in their email address. That of itself can actually be very lucrative for you, because that's something that 2-3 people at the same time can be looking at doing the same thing, and you're actually making money from then just inquiring about that, which is another thing that's great about this particular program, is that you're not doing cold calls and spamming and trying to get other people to join that way. You're actually offering an opportunity that's free. It's free for you to try it. It's free to do it. You really have nothing to lose when it comes to that. But however, actually taking the surveys and giving your opinion can also be kind of fun, because you do have some effect on the market at this time. Okay? But let's get exactly how we're going to go from Survey Junkie to the affiliate program. Okay? Now, right here, I'm on the first page for you to actually join as far as Survey Junkie. Now, you can get here one of two different ways. I noticed here you can go and say you go through to log into Survey Junkie. That will take you here. Or say that you went from, say, like my website here, click here, and that brings you here. Whether you are this place or this place, scroll down to the bottom, and down at the bottom there you'll see the affiliates and partners. Now keep in mind, you are still actually receiving cash as well, as long as you are completing surveys and giving your opinion. And then in addition to that, the people that you actually refer, the company is going to pay you for referring them to do the surveys as well. So you can either spend some time doing some of both, or if you want to, you can actually spend a majority of your time doing this alone and be able to bring in some income. Okay? But right down here at the bottom, we want to click on Affiliates and Partners, and that brings us here. So again, to increase your earnings, you can join the affiliate program. And what you want to do is click Sign Up Now. Now when you sign up, this actually brings you to the application that the business is talking about. So you see here, Blue Media Ventures, and this is an affiliate sign up. So what you want to do here is, if you don't have a company name already, you want to enter in your first and last name. Here, guys, you want to put in a legitimate address as far as address, city, state, and zip code, because again, this is how you're going to receive your pay. Whether you decide to do it in a reward card or on PayPal, you still need to complete this information. So you want to have that all cleared in. Now let's go down here to the marketing information. Under the payment model, you want to leave it as CPA, because we are going clicks per action. So you want to keep that CPA. Here you can keep the business and finance, but on the secondary, let's switch that over to internet and online activities. Okay? Now keep in mind, you also want to pay attention right here to who referred you. That's where you want to put in my name, Tiffany Williams. And then, of course, here you want to complete the other information that's personal information for you. And then also for your payment information, keep in mind that these things that they're asking for are so that you'll be able to reserve, so that you'll be able to actually retain the cash that you're going. Okay? And so you want to make sure here that you click agree and that you enter in the CAPTCHA. And that will give you the opportunity to get everything set up. Now, the next thing you want to do from here is you want to watch and check your email Because what you're looking for is something like this here, where I have from Blue Media Ventures, thank you for your application. You'll get that immediately after, and then it'll have your application has been approved. I know a lot of people are paying attention here to the date. Actually ignore that. That is where I initiated the first time. It didn't complete, but this is where the amount of time was. Okay? So, now you have Survey Junkie. You can actually make money there by completing the surveys and giving your opinion. Or you also have this route where you can actually get paid from the company to refer other people to do those surveys. And the great thing about it, guys, is it's free. It doesn't have to cost you anything to do anything here. But it will give you that second opportunity to do your level rewards. And those actually come to you based on first what your offer is from the company, but then also as much as you put into it, as far as the effort goes, it's going to be what you get in return. Now, I've said this many times that I did not say at all that this was going to be easy, but I do tell you that it's going to be worth it. And it is very much worth it to be able to supplement our family income in any kind of way, whether you're a single mom like me, single dad, either way it goes. Extra cash in your pocket weekly can't hurt. Okay? Well, thank you so much for your time, and thank you once again. See you later. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.